everybody, it's Amy here at Pinnacle Mobility Scooters. I'm going to show you how to disassemble this Pride Mobility GoGo Elite Traveler. We're going to start by removing the seat. This disassembles into 5 pieces, the basket being the lightest piece. You have your battery case, which is going to be a fairly heavy piece. And then you're going to have your rear wheels, the tiller folds, and will lock in place. And then you can pick this up to load it, as well as each individual piece. So you may load it in your truck or your SUV. And then to put it back together, it's as simple as disassembling it. Starting with the tiller. I'm going to reattach the rear, seat the battery case, put the seat back on. Can't forget the basket. She's back together. We're Pinnacle Mobility Scooters. We keep you moving.